In the vast, sun-drenched landscapes of southern Ethiopia lies the Omo Valley. This is a place where, time seems to move at a different pace. It is a mosaic of ancient cultures. Here, traditions are not just remembered, they are lived every single day. Among the remarkable communities that call this valley home are the Hamer people. They are a semi-nomadic group known for their striking adornments. They have a deep connection to their land. They live connected to their cattle. Their lives are woven with ceremonies and rituals. Our journey takes us deep into this cradle of humanity. We leave behind the paved roads. We leave the bustling cities. The sky here is immense, a brilliant blue canvas stretching from one horizon to the other. In this remote, beautiful corner we seek one of the most vibrant expressions of Hamer culture. A Hamer village is a wonderfully organic creation. It feels as though it has grown directly from the earth itself. The huts, or dubi, are circular structures made from a framework of flexible poles. These are then covered with a mixture of mud, dung, and thatch. They are low and domed, designed to withstand the heat of the day, and provide a cool sanctuary within. The village is often arranged in a loose circle with a central clearing that serves as a communal space. This is where meetings are held, where children play, and where, on special nights, the community gathers to dance. Women sit together, their hands busy with beating or grinding grain. They wear beautiful skirts made from goat skin decorated with cowrie shells and colorful beads. Their ankles are adorned with heavy iron rings which clank softly as they move, creating a gentle, rhythmic percussion that accompanies their daily tasks. In the late afternoon, as the sun begins to dip, the men and older boys return with the cattle. Their arrival is a significant event. Families gather around their fires, sharing a simple meal, and stories are told as dusk settles. The Evangadi Dance is not an everyday event, it is a special occasion. It typically takes place after a successful harvest or during the full moon. The dance is primarily for the young and unmarried members of the Hamer community. It is their stage. The call to dance is carried by the first rhythmic claps and rising voices of the first singers. Slowly, drawn by the pulse of the music, young men and women begin to gather from their huts. On the surface, it is entertainment. The youth have fun and burn off energy. But its significance runs deeper. It is a courtship ritual, a space to interact, to flirt, perhaps to find a future partner. They dance together, they sing together, they affirm their shared identity as the next generation. It is a vibrant expression of life, a joyous counterpoint to the harsh realities of their environment, a celebration of youth, a testament to the enduring spirit of a proud people, of being alive in the Omo Valley. The music of the Evangadi Dance is beautifully simple, yet incredibly powerful. It is created entirely by the human body and voice. No elaborate instruments, no drums, no horns. The rhythm is driven by clapping hands and the stamping of feet on the dry, packed earth. One or two lead singers, often young men with strong voices, start a chant, a call that the rest of the group answers. This call and response pattern is the foundation of the Evangadi song. Young men form lines or semicircles and begin to jump. Not simple hops, but incredible feats of athleticism. They leap high into the air, keeping their bodies straight and their feet together. Strength, agility, and stamina on display. Women form a circle, swaying hips and shoulders in time. Beaded necklaces clink, metal ankle rings add gentle percussion. Their ululations spur the men higher. As the night wears on, clapping grows insistent, the jumps more daring, and dancers can enter a trance-like state, lost in music and movement. After hours of rhythm and motion, dancers embrace relaxed faces, peaceful post-dance moments. If you were to speak with a young Hamer man named Bodo, he might tell you about the importance of the jump. "When I was a small boy," he would say with a proud smile, "I would watch the older boys at the Evangadi. I practiced every day, jumping behind my family's hut. I wanted to be strong like them." A young woman, perhaps named Deka, would share a different perspective. "We wait for the Evangadi nights. We put on our best beads and make our skin shine with butter. We sing the old songs our mothers and grandmothers sang. When the boys jump, we cheer for them. It is how we see their character." Another young man, Kale, might speak of the camaraderie. "During the day we are often apart, but at the Evangadi we are all together again. We sing the same song, we jump to the same rhythm. The dance strengthens the bonds between us. When my friend jumps high, I am happy for him. His strength is my strength. We are a group. We must be strong together to face the challenges of the world." And a girl named Gola could tell you about the feeling. "When the singing starts, the rhythm enters your body. You cannot stand still." The Evangadi dance is the primary stage for courtship among the Hamer youth. Men's jumping is a display of physical prowess, a direct appeal to the young women watching. When he catches a girl's eye, his performance says, "Look at me, I am strong, I am healthy." After the jumping, groups mingle more freely and couples pair off to dance together. This rare physical contact is a significant step in courtship and often acknowledged by the crowd. For young men, dancing and singing builds brotherhood. They encourage and celebrate each other. For young women, the dance is crucial for bonding. They gather, whisper, comment, and support each other. The shared dance experience creates trust and mutual respect, essential for the age group cohesion and rites of passage like bull jumping. The Evangadi nurtures lifelong friendships and solidarity. It is a space where youth rehearse roles they will carry into adulthood. The Evangadi dance is far more than just a social gathering, it is a living repository of Hamer identity. In a world without written language, traditions like this are the libraries of the people. The songs are oral histories, telling of warriors, cattle raids, droughts, abundance, and clan lineage. Through participating and observing, young Hamer learns social graces, expectations, and respectful interaction between the sexes. The dance teaches aesthetics, movement, and adornment. Beads, hair, bracelets, and body paint express identity. Often timed to the full moon with the earth as their drum, the Evangadi connects social life to nature's rhythms. It is a vibrant, joyful statement that Hamer traditions are alive and well, a declaration of cultural resilience. Respectful tourism and community-led activities can help preserve this heritage without turning it into a commodity. The survival of the Evangadi rests on the balance between preservation and adaptation. The world is, of course, arriving at the doorstep of the Hamer. The construction of new roads, the influx of tourism, and the spread of modern technology are beginning to have an impact. Young people are exposed to different music and social norms via mobile phones and visitors. This brings opportunities and challenges. The allure of the modern world can sometimes seem more exciting than familiar rhythms. The desire for manufactured goods could erode the value placed on traditional crafts, but elders still teach skills to youth. Preserving essence while adapting is complex. The Evangadi may evolve, but its core functions can remain. When interaction is managed responsibly, tourism can provide economic incentive and reinforce pride. Their culture is not a fragile relic, it is living and adaptive. The Evangadi itself is dynamic and full of life. As long as it remains meaningful to the young people who perform it, the tradition will survive. Our journey into the world of the Hamer and their Evangadi dance leaves us with a profound sense of wonder. We have witnessed a community expressing its soul through rhythm and movement under the vast African sky. It is a history lesson, a social network, a courtship ritual, and a declaration of identity, all rolled into one. The dance reveals joy, desire, pride, and belonging. Universal human emotions expressed locally. The passing of knowledge between generations is crucial for cultural survival. Elders guide the young. As we leave the Omo Valley, the sounds of singing and sight of leaping dancers stay with us, urging curiosity and respect. Let us support indigenous communities like the Hamer in efforts to preserve their heritage for future generations. The dance of the Hamer youth is a dance for all of us, a celebration of culture's power to connect us to our past, to each other, and to our shared humanity.